Hello everybody, hope you're all okay. Very windy today. Oh, it's really bad. It's worse since I've known it. Within 2 years of being on this side. Have you seen that advertisement in between programmes of putting your rubbish and cigarettes in bins in between programmes? Well, I'm going to do another educational video today. All public sites provide lovely bins like this one here, and this little man here what's putting rubbish in the bin there, what it's telling you is put your rubbish in the bin instead of onto the floor or, you know, in front of people's houses or shopping centres or car parks. It's telling you to put it in there, rubbish in there. That's where you put it. And it's same with your cigarettes. You dab your cigarettes out and you also put your cigarettes in there. If you can't do that, if you find that very hard, some of my fans or people out there might find it very hard to do that, to put rubbish into a bin what's provided on public sites. Well, there's another alternative for you to do, and that is you take the rubbish home with you, and also cigarettes. But before you take your cigarettes home, you must dab your cigarettes out, because if you take your cigarettes into the car, you'll set your car on fire and you won't want that. So dab your cigarettes out and take them home. It's just common sense in it. It's not rocket science. Just look around my car park. I just want a clean car park, and then I can go home, have a nice pot of tea, packet of crisps, a Mars bar, and I'll have a like smile on my face and watch some of my playlist, or some of my Angelic Angel playlist, or K-pop playlist, or country. Just check them out, they're really good and all, fantastic. Hope you enjoyed this educational video on a very windy day. I've done all my sites now, found it very hard, really hard, because when I'm putting wind, do you know, this wind is doing my head in when I'm putting, I was going to say when I'm putting wind into the bag. No, I'm not going to edit this, and I'm not going to delete it. My nose running and everything, my eyes, oh flipping heck, what a day. I'll be glad to get home, and it's doing me head in when I put the wind into the bag. What a funny thing that is. Have a little chuckle and a laugh with a pot of tea on this educational video. I don't know, honestly, when I put the rubbish into the bins, what it's doing is it's blowing back out. Oh yeah, I've had all sorts. The rubbish catches into the privets here. When it catches into the privets, it makes it really hard for you to get the rubbish out and then put it into the bin. I tell you what else is hard on this job, it's tissues. When people don't put the tissues away in bins, and it sticks to branches and that, oh, it's murder. And then we've got the guys, our laughing guys. I call them laughing guys. I'm going to call them laughing guys. The laughing gas people with balloons. I don't know what the world's coming to. They'll sit there with the balloon taking gas, laughing gas, into the lungs, or they're taking drugs, alcohol, you name it, they're doing it. A friend of mine taking his dog for a walk, he's just waving at the moment. So please put rubbish in the bins, take your laughing gas canisters home, and we're all going to be okay, aren't we? Catch you on the next video. Bye.